It's a little messy, so I can't really move too much because of all this blood, but I think it turned out pretty good. I actually really like how the stitches kind of turned out. It's kind of hard to see, but I did add the fake blood in between it just to kind of make it look a little more scar-like. Same with down here, and then I added the bolts to the sides. I'm getting this blood everywhere. But other than that, I think it turned out really nice. I kind of did the glam side a little different than how I've kind of been seeing it on like Pinterest and things like that. Obviously you want to make this look your own, so you can do whatever you wanted to. And then I kept this a little more black and white, or a little more like grayscale, but this is actually a dark green that I used for the eyeshadow. And it turned out gray, which I kind of like. I like it. So nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed another Halloween video from me. And as always, everything will be linked down below so you can see what I use, because I know I didn't really mention a whole lot in this video because it kind of took a little bit more concentration than I thought. But it'll all be linked down below, and I actually didn't use too many products. Kind of the same palette and then the green face paint. So yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All that fun stuff. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.